Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Despite the Bank of Jamaica waiving fees to member entities of the Jam Clear Real-Time Gross Settlement Transaction RTGS platform up to the end of December 2021, a number of financial institutions still charge customers fees for various real-time money transfers. Now, the Bank of Jamaica released the market data up to December. Our business reporter Javon Keys has a breakdown.
The Bank of Jamaica has extended its waiver of fees charged to participants in the Jam Clear Real-Time Gross Settlement RTGS system. The waiver will continue until March 31. This saw transaction fees associated with all customer payments being waived for banks and other financial institutions since March 2020. However, up to the end of December, a number of participating institutions still charged customers for RTGS transactions. Of the 8 commercial banks listed, 5 charged customers to send real-time transfers online. First Global Bank had the highest fee of $250, while JN Bank had the lowest at 1 cent per transaction. Scotiabank was the only one in the commercial category to not offer the online RTGS service. From the list of primary dealers, Scotia Investments was the only one to charge for online real-time transfers at a rate of $500 per transaction. From an in-branch perspective, National Commercial Bank NCB had the highest fee, $2,875 per transaction. JN Bank only charged 1 cent per transaction. Scotiabank, Citibank, and JMMB did not charge for in-branch RTGS services. From the 7 primary dealers bracket, JN Fund Managers, JMMB, and Mayberry offered the service for free. The highest charge was by NCB Capital Markets at $500, with the lowest being $230.49 charged by Sagicor Investments. Only 2 of the 8 commercial bank members charged customers for receiving real-time money transfers, First Caribbean International Bank and Sagicor. First Caribbean charged the most for incoming RTGS transactions, $107 versus $82.42 charged by Sagicor. All other participating commercial banks did not charge for incoming RTGS transactions up to the end of December 2021. For the primary dealer group members, 3 charged customers who received RTGS transactions. NCB Capital Markets had the highest fee of $350 per transaction. Only 1 merchant bank and 1 building society were members of the JamClear RTGS system, both charged for all real-time transactions. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The U.S. currency is being sold for an average $156.76. $126.27 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $213.06 for the pound. The euro is costing an average $179.45. The JC Index advanced by 872 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 68 points. Among today's advancers were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Paramount Trading, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, and iCreate ordinary shares. While on the losing side were Blue Power Group, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Elite Diagnostics, Salada Foods, and Caribbean Cream. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.